This is a tutorial to explain how the new COVID-19 screener works. As I'm sure you're aware, most of the schools within South Africa, it's a legal requirement to screen each child before they enter the school. So we've developed a new feature called the COVID screener. It's accessible via the link at the top or via the administration port on the left-hand side under COVID screener. You can click on that. It loads every child within the school. Okay, so it lists the allergies, medical conditions, the parent's first name, parent's email, the parent's contact numbers, and there's also an archive for each child. So let's say, for example, we're looking for a child. You type the child's name at the top. Okay. We can now add a COVID report for Ryan. Before Ryan is allowed to enter the school, the staff member needs to ask him 3 very simple questions. How are you feeling today? The child will either say healthy, sick, or very sick. Have you got any symptoms? Yes, I've got a cough. The teacher or the staff member would do a temperature recording. And for the older children, they'd be able to answer this. Obviously, a child that's only 2 or 3 years of age wouldn't be able to answer this question, so you may leave that blank. And then if the child is allowed into the school, you would obviously slide this toggle to the right or keep it on the left if they're sent to the sick room, for example. So let's upload the report. This child has shown symptoms, so it's a possible risk for infection. The school administrator has automatically been emailed. You don't have to do anything. An email is sent with the symptoms of that child to the principal or the administrator. You've also got the ability to click here if you'd like to send an automated email or SMS to the parent to come and collect the child. So let's just say yes, we want to send an email to that parent. Now you've got an archive sitting on the right-hand side for every single child in the school. You click on the archive. Okay, the date, the feelings, the symptoms, the temperature, and was there any contact with COVID-19. Okay, so it's very neat. We can save a lot of paper, a lot of time, and having the child's profile photo there, it also obviously makes it more difficult to make a mistake because you're kind of putting a face to a name. You can go into the child's profile by clicking the link to see more details about the child. And this is the email I've just received. This is the parent, dear Helen. Ryan has indicated that he's feeling sick and then he has the following symptoms: a cough, temperature of 38 degrees. Please arrange for his immediate collection. So that basically pulls in all the symptoms automatically for you that you saved into the system, and the parent is emailed and SMS'd if you wish. One better than that is that we also have allowed for the child to be automatically ticked off on the register. So depending on if you move that toggle on the page, I'll just show you quickly. If you decided to check the child in on the attendance register, okay, so James Dean has to say he's healthy, go temperature of 35, upload report. Okay, if I now go to the attendance register, there we go, James, he's now present in the class for that day. So it saves the teacher having to double take registration again for that day. I hope that's useful. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.